This stairs are so long, guys. It's for exercise, good for exercise. And yeah, about the weather, it is not that heavy, but it's raining. And look, good for exercise, guys. We're not tired yet. There's still more. One last staircase. Are we gonna take pictures? But yeah, guys, before we leave Stockholm, we must take a lot of pictures. I'm gonna show you guys the wonderful view here. Look! Woo! Wow!
Oh, check it out.
Check it out.
Malapit na tayo.
I think we are near from the parking lot, and whew,
Tayo.
this is so high. Are we gonna walk straight? Let's go, guys.